What's up YouTube, this is Jabber Tech. So today we're just going to take a look at some themes and some really cool video wallpapers like this one from Bergen Designs. When they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to take a look at some of their themes and some of their pretty cool video wallpapers like this one, of course I said yes, because their watch faces are quality and I expected nothing less from these video wallpapers, and this one happens to be one of my favorite ones. It's kind of like an old school television that's going haywire. So I definitely like this one, and I tend to keep this one on my phone quite often. And this will run you 99 cents in the gear store. For all of these, I'll leave a link down in my description where you can just click and purchase them. And whenever I have this just sort of sitting on the table or on the bar when I'm out and about, people always look and comment. It's definitely a cool one to have on your phone. The next one here is called Neon Spiral, and just take a look at this. Kind of makes me think I'm diving into a black hole and about to go to space to another dimension. But it's super cool as well. It just rotates there and kind of shimmers along. And I think it's a really nice looking wallpaper. Take a look at that one. The next one here is really cool, and this is Color Roto Explosion. And just take a look at that. Let me start it again for you. It's like a paint splatter. Just take a look at that. I think it's super cool how it splatters and then it just sort of keeps rotating. I think that's an awesome effect. And just take a look at this. I believe it's like 10 seconds long, so it's a pretty nice video wallpaper. And then of course, turning on and off your phone restarts that splatter, that explosion. Definitely a really cool wallpaper to have on your lock screen. Just take a look at that and it'll start again in a second. There it is. Really a nice one. This one again will run you $1. Roto Explosion. This one is called Royal Skeleton and it's a wallpaper. This one is actually free, but there is a theme for this as well. But this just happens to be a super cool wallpaper. I really like this. Just take a look at that. Really a nice wallpaper, very detailed. Royal Skeleton. Now we're going to take a look at some themes from Bergen Designs, and this one is Jungle Sherman. So let me go ahead and apply it, and then you'll just take a look at it. It's also a very interesting wallpaper, but really super high quality graphics as well. So let's apply this theme and then just check it out together. Now there are some sounds and whatnot on these themes as usual. I'm not going to go over the sounds, just giving you an idea of what it looks like on your phone, and then I'll show you the always on display. So this is what it looks like, and it kind of is like a jungle theme. Just look at the icons. They have like a woodish type of feel to them. And that's the default wallpaper that comes on it. Of course, you can change the wallpaper if you don't like it. And just take a look at your app drawer there. If an icon is not standard, if it's not one that's pre-installed, you kind of get that little, I don't know what you call it, like a little hat there. It sort of has that wooden effect behind them. If you see that, just take a look at that. So that's the icons. And of course with themes, everything else is kind of themed. So let me open up. I don't want to put anyone on blast. This is the dialer. Just take a look at that dialer. It's got this jungle feel to it. Drop down shade kind of looks like that. And we go into the settings. This is what your settings will look like. And that's what the settings look like. And then when you start an SMS message, this is what it looks like. And when you send it, that's sort of what it looks like there. And then I'm going to turn on the always on display, but if you take a look, this is what your toggle switches will look like when it's on, and that's off. So you see that little character there. So let's been a look at Jungle Sherman. This one is $2.49. Let's take a look at another one. The next one here is also $2.49, and this is Bergen Mr. Joe. It's a really yellow theme, so make sure you like this color. Let me click apply. We'll show you what this one looks like. This is a smiley face guy. This is Mr. Joe. He's actually really happy. Take a look at him. And this is your app drawer. Let's take a look at the settings option. Of course, it's a yellow. Let's go into that. So this is your background when you're in your settings or anything that you have to change. This is your toggle switch, like a little eye. I don't know how I feel about that. Sometimes that's a little creepy, but it is what it is. This is the dialer. So again, I don't know what he's doing here. Maybe he's kind of, I don't know what's going on there, but this is a dialer. So when you dial something, that's what it looks like. This is the background of the SMS messages. Take a look at that one. And then let me show you the always on display. This is the always on display, and you can see his eye is kind of blinking there. So this is Mr. Joe. Next one I'm going to show you is called Midnight High Contrast, and this is actually a really nice theme. Let me just apply this one and show it to you guys. So this one here will run you $2. Let's take a look at it. It's a really nice theme. I'll show you the app drawer. That's what the app drawer looks like. And then let me show you the toggle switches. It looks like that. Let me go into settings and show you what that looks like. That's like the settings. Toggle switches are kind of normal there. Background of your text messages look like this. This has been a look at some of the themes and video wallpapers from Bergen Design. So let me know what you guys think about these ones. And of course, if you have any favorite ones, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely check them out. And let me know what you think about these ones as well. So until the next video, guys, keep customizing your phone. That's what Android's all about. And I'll catch you in the next one.